Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to know the fuel level in your Activa. First, ensure your scooter is on a level surface for an accurate reading. Then, simply turn your ignition key to the on position. You'll see the digital instrument cluster light up. Look for the fuel gauge icon, which typically resembles a gas pump. This display will show you the current fuel level using a series of bars or segments. The digital fuel gauge on your Activa is quite intuitive. When all the segments or bars are lit up, it means your fuel tank is full. As you ride and consume fuel, these segments will gradually disappear from top to bottom. Each segment typically represents about 1/4 or 1/5 of your tank's capacity, giving you a good visual estimate of how much fuel you have left for your journey. When your fuel level gets critically low, the last segment on your digital gauge will often start blinking, or a dedicated low fuel warning light will illuminate. This is your cue to head to the nearest fuel station. Even when the light comes on, you usually have a small reserve. For instance, many Activa models hold approximately 1 liter of fuel in reserve, giving you enough range to find a pump. To ensure smooth rides and prolong the life of your fuel pump, it's always best to refuel before your low fuel warning light comes on. Running on very low fuel can sometimes strain the fuel pump. Make it a habit to glance at your fuel gauge before every ride, especially if you're planning a longer journey. This simple check helps prevent unexpected stops and keeps you safely on the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.